In this video, I will quickly walk you through on how to create polls, all right, in Google Forms. Without taking much time, let's just get right into it. All right, the first step you need to take is to get your PC connected to the internet, which I have done here. Then, after that, you open your web browser. In this case, I'll be using Google Chrome for this. So, I will double click on it for it to open. As your browser opens, visit forms.google.com. All right. All right. You can see that forms.google.com. All right. Enter key for it to open. All right. Once this forms Google Forms page opens, you will have an interface that looks like this. Now, the next step is for us to start the creation of the pool. All right. First, click on this blank form. Once you're taken to this page, all right, you can start creating what you want, the pool you want, all right, by giving it title and then description if you want to, and then you put your options. But I want us to change some things, is few things in the settings. So I'll click on the settings tab and I will get down to this presentation. There's something I want to change. I'll click on this drop down, and under this drop down, I want this response to appear differently, show progress bar. I want it to be in that form so that when people vote, it will appear in the form of bar. All right, that's the only thing I want to change. But if you don't want that, you may not need to click on this settings sub tab, this settings tab. Okay, so it's my choice, and I like it that way. So if you do the same thing, it's not bad. All right, so I'll click on the questions tab again for us to be here. So here I will, this is untitled form, so I'll click here, Control A to select all the text. All right, I want to give this form a title, and here I want to call this making money online because that's what the question is going to be all about, the pool. Okay, all right, once you're done with your title, you can highlight it and format the text further. Maybe you want to make it bold or italicize or underline. All right, but I don't want to use the underline. I want to just make it bold so that it looks like a main heading. All right, so if you want to add description about this form, you can do that here. Maybe tell them to vote honestly. All right, it's about the easiest way to make money online, but I don't want to do that here. So let's proceed. Then this is untitled question. So click here and ask your question. So let me ask which of these platforms is the easiest to make money online. All right, my question reads, which of these platforms allows users, okay, to make money quickly online. All right, so once I'm done with the question, it's now time to start giving options. All right, this is option one. So my option one here is Amazon KDP. All right, Amazon. All right, so your options will go in line with your question. All right, depending on the question you want to ask. Then I'll click here and add option two, which is YouTube content creation. Okay, and I'll click here to add option 3. So the C is what I call affiliate marketing on Facebook. So I have my 3 options. First, Amazon KDP, YouTube content creation, and the third one is affiliate marketing on Facebook. I want to get people's opinion on the one that allows people to make money easily. All right. In my own opinion, Amazon KDP is the best for me. YouTube content creation and then affiliate marketing on Facebook. But I want to hear the opinion of other people. Okay, so here, click here. This place multi-choice is selected, meaning that somebody can answer A and answer B at the same time. But I want somebody to select one or maybe a style. Okay, so I'll click here. I want these answers to appear in check boxes. All right, so I'll click here. So not multi-choices. I don't want that. So once the person says is this, he clicks on that. Once is this, he click on this. All right. So now let's format with this. We can just publish this and copy the link and send to the people who want to answer the question. But I don't want it this way. I want to format this form further. All right. And first is that I want to introduce a picture that portrays what I'm trying to say. So click on this add inline image. So click on that. And then once you click, a new page will open, which you can see here. If you have a picture that represents this in your PC, you can click on browse and get the picture from your PC. All right, and add here. We have webcam. Maybe you have a picture, you want to take the picture, just click on webcam. The camera of your PC will be enabled. Then you snap the picture. All right. Then we have by URL. Okay, maybe you have a link to the picture you want to add. You click here and then follow the on-screen guide. Photos allows you to open the photos on your Google Drive, all right, account, and okay, allows you to open some photos, all right. It's not on your Google Drive. Maybe you have a photo you have saved in Google, all right. It will open there. You pick it, all right. But I don't have any in this case. Then this is Google Drive option. If you click on that, it shows you some photos that are in your Google Drive account. You can pick one. Then you have Google Images. All right, this is what I want to use here because I don't have any photos that represent this under these tabs. So I want to search for image that represent this online. So I'll click on this Google Images, and in this search bar, I will type making money online. Okay, so that Google will provide me with some pictures. All right, online. All right. Then after that, press the enter key of your computer keyboard, and this have display some pictures that represent making money online. Okay, so you have this, you have this. I don't know, you will select one from the list. I think this is cool for me, so I will click on this for it to be selected and click on insert. So this will accompany this question. All right, so let's wait for it to be imported. But if it's not imported, you may need to publish and then update. All right, in this case, you can see it's not reflecting. So I'll click on publish now. All right, click on publish again. This has been published, but I will refresh this page. Let me refresh this page, okay? Okay, so now that I have refreshed this page, I have published and refreshed, I can, copy link here and send to the person. All right, but I want to beautify this more. So let's repeat what we did before. Okay, I'll click here and then images, and then I will search making money online again. Then after that, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. It returns some images as well. So here, let me work with this and click on insert. And you can see this has provided me with this image. Okay, so this one entered. All right, then Amazon KDP is one of the options. I can pick another image that represent this. Let me go with Google Images. So I'll search for Amazon KDP. So I want to customize this in a way that it will look excellent. Let me go with this, or will I go with this? No, this one is okay. So click on the image you want to use, insert. All right, and this has appeared. Then the next one is YouTube content creation. So I need a logo of YouTube. I'll click here and then Google Images. Then I can type a keyword YouTube. All right, press enter for it to search. Then I can take this logo. It looks good. I'll click on insert. All right, say then YouTube has been placed. And affiliate marketing on Facebook. I'll click on this and then I'll go with these Google Images. Then I'll search for affiliate marketing on Facebook. Okay, something, a best match will be provided for you. All right, best matches. All right, so this has provided me with some images that represents this affiliate marketing on Facebook. I can go with this, I can go with this, but I think I like this. I'll go with this and click on insert. All right, so this will be placed here within a short time. Okay, this is fine. So I have used pictures to represent these options, okay, which makes it look more beautiful. So with this, everything you add here, you add here is updated automatically. All right, so you don't need to click on publish button again because it's already published. The only thing is that everything is updated as you're adding. Okay, so what do we do next? If you want to format this, you can format this no, by clicking here, maybe changing color or changing the type of header. All right, so or adding header image is your choice actually. So maybe I want to change this to another thing. You click here, then the size you change, question you change the text type. That's the font type, all right? So, but I don't have any problem here. If you want to add header image, you click on this and select any header image of your choice. Okay, the color here is this. So if you want to this one at the background, if you want to change it, you can click on any, all right? We have another background here. You can click on any one for it to change. You can click on this. You can see how it's affected this. All right, I like the way it was before. If you want something different here, you can select this. You can see I've changed this one here. All right, but I think the default one is cool for me. So on the assumption that we are done with what we want to do, I'll close this team page. What we do, let's copy this link and send. All right, if you want to see how this will look when it's sent to somebody, click on this eye icon. It will open on a new tab. All right, you can see this is how this will look when you send it to somebody, so they can select any of these and submit from their own end. All right, well, let me close the tab again. All right, we are returned to this first tab. Okay, so you can share to this form to somebody's email from here by clicking on this share and follow the on-screen guide. Okay, but here I want to copy the link and send it to them individually. The reason is because I want to share it on WhatsApp, all right, as well as other platforms, Messenger. So I'll click on this and then copy link. All right, so now that this link is copied, I will go ahead and send it to them on WhatsApp, and then I'll wait for that feedback. So once I get that feedback, then I will still show you that on this video. All right, when I click on responses, but let's just share it. Let me just share it first to them. Okay. Okay, now I'm back to this page again, and you can see I have two responses. All right, I've forwarded the links to two persons and they have responded. So I'll click here. You can see two persons have voted, all right, to the poll, and both of them said that Amazon KDP is the fastest way to make money online. Do you agree or not? Let me hear what you have to say in this comment section. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that you too will push this video to more people. You can watch this video here to learn more on how to complete other tasks in Google Forms. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.